you're welcome to our channel. So today we'll be driving through Enugu. We'll be showing you some of the recent updates, things that have changed, things that are currently going on, and then we'll also be talking briefly about the numerous kidnappings and danger zones right now in Enugu State, areas you should not really go through if you are in Enugu, if you intend visiting Enugu State.
Yes, guys, she's absolutely right. We are currently at Okpara Square, close to the government house, and with all you can see, we are currently using one lane simply because they are doing some road rehabilitation around Enugu State. Yes, it's no longer news for those who reside in Enugu that virtually every part of Enugu now has bad road. The current traffic level we are experiencing in Enugu is as a result of bad road and nothing else. That is the truth. I was around the new market yesterday to Secretariat axis. That road is terrible. The road is so bad, you know. So the hold up we're experiencing currently is a result of bad road. About, I don't know, probably the governor has woken up to his responsibility to rehabilitate the road. Probably that is why you can see some work currently going on. Yeah, we're back to our lane. If you are new on our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV. Please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for your love and support for the channel. Yes, like I said, we're at Okpara Square and just by the government house. Yeah, you can actually see tractors already. So they've done some they've started some work within this axis of the state in the afternoon hours. This is morning hours now. We just dropped our baby off in school. Afternoon hours, if you have to pass through this place, just prepare your mind for some good level of traffic. You understand? So it's becoming a norm within the state. And also insecurity has in fact, currently I was telling someone yesterday that we are currently caged in Enugu State, because if you think of going towards Port Harcourt, you will be scared. If you think of going towards Oka, you will be scared. If you think of going to Abakaliki, you will be scared.
Usuka is the worst.
And it's so sad that these things don't appear on news, not until a top politician is being affected. Now, just like yesterday, I believe it's no longer news that the news has gone viral now that there's a kidnapping in Enugu yesterday because a top politician was carried yesterday along the Onsuka axis, and the news had to go around. And before then, numerous kidnappings has been happening. Students returning back to school, they've been kidnapped. Normal people using the road to Onsuka have been kidnapped. Also along the Four Corners axis going to Oka now is another danger zone as well that everyone is avoiding currently, looking at the current state of insecurity within Enugu State. It's becoming terrible. Someone also was kidnapped along the Abakaliki Express. So I think if you are residing currently in Enugu or you have an intention of coming to Enugu, please gather enough information to be sure that the roads are safe for you to come. But currently as we speak, yesterday I was in Park Lane and they brought someone in that was shot on his way coming back from Onsuka. He tried to escape the kidnappers, but eventually some of the bullets touched him and he was rushed to Park Lane. So guys, let's be security conscious. Let's stay alert at every time and let's also look out for our neighbor even as we embark on our day-to-day activities within Enugu State. If you are residing in Enugu, please do well to also drop your comment in the comment section. Let us know the area you are staying and what is your view about the road situation and the insecurity we are currently experiencing within Enugu State. And if you are from here and you don't reside here, feel free to also give us your thoughts in the comment section. So guys, that is it. We are currently at MSP, approaching what's this place called again? Abakaliki. Yeah, as you can see, little traffic, and if you go to that spot now, you will see the bad spot as well that is also there. So let's hope that this work they've continued around Okpara Square, they will take it around the state. So guys, just to bring you that brief update, of the current happenings in Enugu State?
I think the most talked about kidnapping now is, even apart from this politician, the issue of the about 10 UNN students that have been kidnapped. I was reading on the news yesterday where they said the kidnappers are asking of a ransom of about 300 million. One of the family members of the kidnapped student was, said that the abductors called, and then he was even saying, okay, they have about 500,000 to release the students, and they are asking for 300 million.
Yeah, the thing is, they're asking for 30 million per head. This is so scary. Like, it's so scary. So it's really scary living in Enugu State currently, I must say. I was even seeing on the news that there's a particular community, I can't remember the name, but they are currently bringing down all their all the bills for political parties, because they are saying there's not going to be campaign in their community if they don't fix their roads. I think that community is along the Nsukka road too. Everybody is complaining, everybody is scared. All the exit and entry points into the state is now danger zones, and people don't even know what to do. Serious danger zones. It's a serious danger zones, because I happen to run virtually the whole south and southeastern state within a month sometimes, and what I hear on the road after we've passed some certain points, it's scary. Like yesterday was scary, because I was in Park Lane at about 10 when they rushed those victims that were shot down to Park Lane, and they carried out 2 operations yesterday on that same road.
You understand? So when there are reports that something is happening there, why can't, where are our police, where are our security personnel?
So it's
hold up now everywhere.
It's quite scary. I wish everyone to be safe at this point. If the journey or the trips you have to make out of Enugu State is not so important, you just abort it and stay back and do your other business rather than going on such trips.
The only trips allowed now are very important.
Very important trips that you can't do without. So guys, I hope you find this update informative enough to help you as you move around the southeast, not just Enugu now, the southeast in general.
Yes, because there's been lots of news in other parts of the southeast, but then we are just giving first-hand information based on the one we are 100% sure of.
Yeah, so
as you can see, we are locked. So wish us best of luck. We hope you will leave this place on time.
Enugu is fast becoming the new Lagos, and it's not because of population but because of bad road. That's the truth. So I know a lot of persons will not find this interesting for those who are politicians, but that is the sincere truth, and that's the sad truth, or the bitter truth that we have to take. So all of this is caused as a result of bad road and not because of population. So guys, thank you for staying with us on this trip or on this vlog. We'll catch you in our next video.
Bye.